week ahead of the midterm elections, President Trump is promising to challenge birthright citizenship.
Well, WJTV 12's Margaret Ann Carter spoke with a law professor about the possibility of something like this passing Congress and the courts.
How ridiculous. We're the only country in the world where a person comes in, has a baby, and the baby is essentially a citizen of the United States for 85 years with all of those benefits. It's ridiculous.
In an interview with political news site Axios, President Trump said he plans to sign an executive order challenging the 150-year-old citizenship clause. A controversial statement that has many wondering, does the president have the power to do this, or is it just a ploy to gain more Republican votes ahead of the midterm election?
What he has the authority to do is to issue a statement that he intends to execute laws along an interpretation of the word citizen that excludes children born to undocumented immigrants.
Mississippi College law professor Matt Steffi says the president's statement is an intent of action resting on the hope that the Supreme Court will change its mind about what the citizenship clause means.
But what I believe will happen is that immediately that law will be challenged, and almost just as quickly a judge will issue an injunction declaring that interpretation void as unconstitutional.
However, Steffi says it's no coincidence the statement was made just a week before voters head to the polls.
But from the president's perspective, this is a win-win. It's like buying a lottery ticket. On the off chance that courts make a historic change of course, then he gets his policy. In the meantime, we're now talking about it.
Reporting in Jackson, Margaret Ann Carter, WJTV 12.
The president has not said when he would sign the order.